All right, so for my own time and sanity and not uploading like 3 different videos every day, I'm just going to open up everything together now that I'm all caught up with the Giving Girl and we all on one accord. So today is going to be day 2 of Sadie Stickers, Letters to Apollo, and then day 14 for the Giving Girl. Now, this was in Sadie Stickers box as well. They included this. This was like kind of like an extra freebie. So this is a candle. It's called Dream. And as you see, the main notes is linen, gardenia, and vanilla. It's a 2 ounce. This is what it looks like in a little tin, single wick. I definitely smell the linen. And I can smell the gardenia and the vanilla too. And then this is what the bottom looks like so you guys can know. So I just pulled this out because I'm probably going to burn it once I'm done this. All right, so let's go ahead. We'll start with Sadie Stickers first. Move those to the side. This is how the envelope came here today. It's definitely packing something in here. Okay. Ooh. Oh, okay. So looks like we have a uni pen, and this is a oil-based ink marking pen, as well as some sticky notes made in collaboration with Rose Colored Days. And this looks to be transparent sticky notes. Okay, so let's open this up first. I have to excuse me. I went upstairs to grab my ring and still forgot it, so no ring today. Okay, well, this is what it looks like. Yes, they are transparent. This is really cute. Here it says, do more of what makes you happy in silver foil. You guys see that? This is what one looks like. Let's put this back down. And then we'll do a pen test, which is great that she actually included a pen. So if you guys can see, you can see the pen tip there. I'm thinking it's probably a 0.02. No, here you go. It's 0.24. It is in black ink. Okay, so that's what it looks like here. Okay. Nothing. So perfection. Literally perfection. So it's absolutely perfect for these transparent sticky notes, which is great because I do have other ones. So now I have something that I can write on. So this here is day 2 of Sadie Stickers. All right, day 2 of Letters to Apollo. Ooh, we got some florals. And I didn't show you guys yesterday, but included in the envelope as well was a oopsie. It was a piece of the washi strip where the butterfly garland was on there. I guess they made an oops, so they did include that. And if I remember, I'll put like a little clip here for you guys to see. But we got some florals for the advent calendar, which is beautiful. Plenty of them. Very beautiful. You got some smaller pieces. You got some larger pieces. So this is really nice. And it is great that because this is really a trend that's been going on, that she actually included this in the advent calendar. I do wonder, will one, she have extras go up on the site after the fact? And 2, if they are, would it include this one? Because I even just think with these colors in general, you could probably really use this in the springtime because that kit gives me really springtime vibes. So I think, yeah, I if I can get 2 or 3 more of these, I definitely would. So that is day number 2 for Letters to Apollo. All right, next up is day 14 for the Giving Girl. All right, Ooh, we got some transparent mini dots. You can definitely see that it's transparent just by looking at them. I'll try to pull one up. Here we go. You guys can see it's definitely transparent. So these are her mini dots in the colorway that we've been getting. So that's those. Then it looks like we have some. This is on her matte white paper, and this is foiled. This foil itself, this is her rose gold. This one is silver. And that one is gold. Super pretty. So that there is day number 14 from The Giving Girl. All right, here is day 2 of Sadie Stickers and Letters to Apollo, and day 14 of The Giving Girl. I'm really enjoying this. It is a little tedious, and I can kind of see why people are like, oh, I just want to open up everything all at the same time. But I feel like because this whole Advent thing is really about receiving a gift and being able to open up something every day in the true form, I want to try to stick to that. So thank you guys for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.